In this video, we will help you as a UCT student or recent graduate make the most of MyCareer. Our services and activities are located on MyCareer portal, which you can access by clicking the icon on our website or searching mycareer.uct.ac.za in your preferred web browser. Click on Current Student or Graduate and sign in using your UCT single sign-in details. On MyCareer, you can search jobs, book an appointment with a career development consultant, book for career events, browse bursary and scholarship listings, and access resources like our career guide. You already have a profile on MyCareer, so set your preferences and communication settings to receive information tailored to your needs. It takes time for details of students new to UCT to be loaded to our system. If you cannot access MyCareer, send us an email at careers.service@uct.ac.za. We look forward to meeting you and helping you own your future.